Hello everyone and good morning. I am doing another like vlogish. I think today I would just be vlogging my nail appointment. This is what my nails currently look like. Sorry, my dog is so annoying. But yeah, like this is what the nails look like right now. Pretty kind of crusty. I don't really know what I'm doing today. I just know I'm gonna get them cut short. But yeah, I will be vlogging the process, so come along. Bye!
That is a more chocolatey brown.
Yeah.
It has a slight shimmer to it though, but you can't really see.
Let me see the picture.
And for the nude, do you want to do what kind of nude? I have this as an option.
Actually, I kind of like this darker one.
This one?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's do that one. I have this as a nude.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Okay, cool.
Hello everyone, that was pretty much my appointment. This is the end result. If you guys are wondering what I got done, I just got a mini fill of my gel apres extensions with some gel color on top and a little bit of design on my middle and ring finger. And yeah, I really love getting my nails done. I try to go at least like twice a month, maybe once a month sometimes if I'm really busy. But yeah, so much love for my nail girl. She's honestly such a great friend of mine. Of course, her links will be down below as well. If you guys are interested, please book her. She's amazing. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't be afraid to like, comment, subscribe, you know, and also follow me on my other social media. Everything is going to be linked down below. And thank you guys again. It means the world to me that you guys support this. And yeah, have a wonderful week, have a wonderful evening. I don't know what it is, where you are, and all that jazz, but you know, have an amazing life. That sounds morbid. Okay, I will see you guys really soon. Again, thank you guys so much, and see you in the next video. Bye.